This is just a quick video to show you how to set up your school's PPS, which is the parent payment system. To set it up, you'll need your 8-digit school code and password. If you don't have these details, please reach out to your assessment consultant or to our customer service team and we'll happily provide it for you. Firstly, head to our ICAS website, ICASAssessments.com. On the top right, click the purple Buy Now button. Select Buying as a School, and if you have your school code ready, simply click Yes and follow the link below to sign in. On the right-hand side, please enter your school code and password to sign in, and please note that your password will always be in uppercase letters. Once logged in, you will press Buy Tests beneath the orange ICAS tab, and to set up your parent payment system, select the green option on the left-hand side, go to Parent Payment System. At the top, click on the Enable button and it should bring up your school's code and link. Simply tick all the boxes on the left-hand side of each subject and grade level you wish to enroll for your school community. Once ticked, the option will be highlighted in green. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and press Update Subjects. Then scroll all the way up to the top of your page and your status will be updated. Please note that this year we have provided a direct link with a code embedded in the URL, which will take parents directly to your school's registration page. Otherwise, they can still use the code to log in. Please copy these credentials and share it with your parent community when you're ready.